got in this three-way dance tonight. It was supposed to have been John Davis, and the coward is not going to show. He's chicken. He's got a yellow streak down his back. Now the promotion's throwing us in a three-way dance. What's the deal?
Complete and utter disgust with this situation.
With the promotion?
It's not hard. The way a match works is that two men show up and one man leaves with the championship.
And they should be giving us the belt because John Davis hasn't made it. Now it's got to be a three-way dance. But we're going to beat them other two clowns. Johnny Armani, your uncrowned United States Wrestling Alliance heavyweight champion. Bottom line.
I am here.
He's here. He's going to prove it.
Give me my belt.
Give us the belt.
You know, when I first walked into this building, the powers that be told me that I was going to be in the ring with Johnny Armani, Kyle Blizzard, a couple of nobodies. But then they hit me with the bombshell. There's a surprise. But see, I don't know if you people know this, but I don't like surprises. Whoever the surprise is, you're going to get your face beat in. I promise you. And if any of you people in that match don't like that, heck, if anybody else in the world don't like that, do something about it. I dare you.
to determine the #1 contender for the USWA United States Championship, currently held by John Davis.
What are you talking about, Hollywood, Jamie Love? We start out as a three-way. All of a sudden, this guy Sam Shaw comes in out of nowhere, working against Johnny Armani here. He's got no business being in this thing. It was a plain three-way. Now all of a sudden it's a four-way. They just spilled out all over the concrete floor out here. Finally, Armani sends him back in. Right here in front of the broadcast position. Now finally all four men back in the ring.
Chaos and bedlam has ensued here, and the referee's going to have his hands full still. Now you was telling him about how you could officiate better than these USWA officials. Why don't you go back there and talk to the COO, Frank Howell, see if there's a position open for you. Kory Chavis working over Kyle Blizzard as Sam Shaw is working over Johnny Armani. Ooh!
Hollywood Jamie Love, let me tell you something. I would not even put myself so low as to be a
Beautiful kip up by Sam Shaw.
Come on. Professional. Traveled all over the world.
Kory Chavis and Sam Shaw now standing toe-to-toe. I think they're going to try to come up with a game plan. We'll see what happens here. This Kory Chavis, one tough pro wrestling athlete, a former USWA Tag Team champion. He and John Davis held the USWA
What
Tag
is
Team
going
titles.
on here in the middle of this ring?
Like a fair match, sportsmanship exemplified here between these two pro wrestling athletes. See some great pro wrestling here.
Blizzard right in the way. The man's about 19 feet tall.
And about 6 feet wide. Look at that. Let's compare. Wait a minute. Of course, we got gorgeous Gary Garvin, the mastermind. And wait a minute. Johnny Armani pulling the top ring rope down, and Sam Shaw goes flying over the top rope out onto the concrete floor. You don't want to turn your back here because Kyle Blizzard just came in and clocked Kory Chavis and then suplexed him in the ring. Only gets a 2 count. Kyle Blizzard dropping a devastating elbow smash. He goes for the cover. Only gets a 2 count. Look at the face lock now, applied by Johnny Armani as Kyle Blizzard puts the boots right into the midsection.
You almost think that Blizzard and Armani were working together the way they're making mincemeat of this Chavis kid.
Ooh! Look at Kyle Blizzard now. That big size 15 boot right under the chin. Sam Shaw still laid out on the concrete floor, a former USWA champion as well.
He's got no business being here. He shouldn't be here. And as a result, he's out on the floor where he belongs.
You can see Kyle Blizzard and Johnny Armani working in tandem here.
Wait, hold on.
And wait a minute. Unbelievable. Gorgeous Gary Garvin has got to be happy with the outcome right here. Ooh. Johnny Armani just stretched Kory Chavis right under that bottom rope. Kory Chavis just had a great ring awareness to grab the bottom rope to cause a break.
Yeah, he grabbed it with his neck.
And there you go again, Kyle Blizzard now working Kory Chavis over on that bottom rope. How do you like it now? Gorgeous Gary Garvin, the mastermind of Team Gorgeous, coming out here with Johnny Armani. Johnny Armani demanding that Frank Howell, the COO of USWA, hand over that US title without earning it. And look at Kory Chavis now. He's cleaning house. Wow. Johnny Armani. He's looking. I think he's hurt his ankle. Wait a minute. Got his ankle hurt. Wait, where's this? Wait a minute. It was just a ploy. Gorgeous Gary Garvin just took his boot off and clocked Kory Chavis in the back of the head. And Kory Chavis has been eliminated.
Kory Chavis has been eliminated.
Johnny Armani, playing possum, had the referee's attention away. That allowed gorgeous Gary Garvin to get up on the apron and deliver that boot right to the base of the skull of Kory Chavis.
All of a sudden, Sam Shaw, when he went down the street to the Holiday Inn, and now he went down, now all of a sudden he shows back up. Come on.
But Kory Chavis has been eliminated from this match to determine the #1 contendership for the USWA United States Championship. A nice arm candy Kory Chavis came out with here. And there's Johnny Armani and Kyle Blizzard now working over Sam Shaw. There's Kyle Blizzard now. Along with Johnny Armani just pressing down
submission off right in his throat.
Sam Shaw is taking some punishment now.
As he well deserves to.
Sam Shaw now trying to come back. Taking shots now, forearm shots to Johnny Armani and Kyle Blizzard. Ooh! Kyle Blizzard delivering a knee right to the midsection. And Johnny Armani trying to pick the bones. Kyle Blizzard now with a reverse face lock. Look at the massive arms of this one Kyle Blizzard.
Massive arms, don't you mean giant rubber hoses? Look at Armani getting a suntan up there. That's what a champion looks like.
No doubt now, Sam Shaw trying to gain some favor from the fans here. A capacity crowd here at the Snyder Armory for USWA Super Brawl 2013.
Blizzard just smacked the crap out of him. Sam Shaw.
A 2 count on Sam Shaw. Johnny Armani driving the elbow right into the side of the cranium.
Sam Shaw should give up and go home.
Kyle Blizzard and Johnny Armani. Wait a minute. Gorgeous Gary Garvin putting his 2 cents worth in.
His neck can only handle so much before it's just going to snap off.
Kyle Blizzard and Johnny Armani. Ooh! Wow, what a beautiful standing drop kick. And a second beautiful standing drop kick by Sam Shaw. Sam Shaw showing why he's probably one of the top contenders for any title or any organization. He's got Johnny Armani and Kyle Blizzard laid to waste in the ring. And wait a minute now, Sam Shaw, he's going up to the top rope, and wait a minute, Gorgeous Gary Garvin. I tell you what, Gorgeous Gary Garvin is the ace in the pocket for Johnny Armani.
Gorgeous is a true sight to behold. He is the truth of professional wrestling.
Yeah, I don't know about that. I'm sure the fans have got a different opinion. Look at Sam Shaw now. He's got Kyle Blizzard rolled up.
A handful of trucks.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kyle Blizzard has been
Well, I tell
eliminated.
you what, you got to fight fire
However,
with
the
fire.
next pinfall will be the #1 contender.
He should be sent to the showers right now. He had a big handful of trunks.
Well, I tell you what, Kyle Blizzard and Johnny Armani, along with Gorgeous Gary Garvin, have been robbing Sam Shaw throughout this whole match. So it doesn't matter that Sam Shaw just so happened to get a little bit of leverage.
Sam Shaw, you think you're going to come back here in my arena and get under your mistaken?
Gorgeous Gary Garvin.
This is our time.
I say, man, this is unbelievable.
Hold him.
The arrogance
There's nothing left here.
Johnny Armani and Kyle Blizzard. Wait a minute, Kyle, this might still. That's the chair I was sitting in. I can't believe it. Now, wait a minute. Kyle Blizzard, he's going to deliver that steel chair. Ooh. Kory Chavis just came out here and speared Kyle Blizzard and just body slammed Johnny Armani right out here in the concrete floor. The referee is ordering Kory Chavis to leave ringside. He was eliminated earlier, and he's come back out here. Kyle Blizzard now and Kory Chavis are continuing the fight on the
Neither one
outside.
of these guys should be out here. It's over with. Armani should be crowned. That's the end of it.
Well, there you go. Kyle Blizzard and Kory Chavis. I think they're fighting all the way back out to the locker room.
They need to fight all the way out to the parking lot because I need to go to the Ritz-Carlton. I'm tired of this. It's over with. Good night.
Well, the match continues. States Championship that is currently held by John Davis.
And finally, the referee starts to count. Sam Shaw's been out for about an hour.
This match has taken a toll on both of these pro wrestling athletes. A highly competitive matchup, nonetheless. The United States Wrestling Alliance bringing you the finest in professional wrestling competition.
I gotta go.
There's the 9, and Sam Shaw just able to roll under the bottom rope back into the ring.
Did the referee even learn to count to 10? Oh my God. Just ridiculous.
The wrestling fans definitely getting their money's worth here. Wrestle Brawl, or I should say Wrestle Bowl 2013.
I can't wait to talk to Frank the Tank about some of the officiating that's going on today.
Both wrestlers now getting back up to a vertical base, trading shots, going toe to toe right in the middle of the ring. High knee right into the midsection. Irish whip. Wait a minute. There's gorgeous Gary Garvin again, holding the boot of Sam Shaw. The referee allowing it to take place.
Good night, baby.
Near pinfall. A high impact maneuver by Johnny Armani.
How can that possibly be the referee? Oh my God! Can't count. If he even tried.
Gorgeous Gary Garvin. He's just beside himself here.
Sam Shaw obviously paid this referee off.
Now, wait a minute, Johnny Armani now. He's shoving the referee. Johnny Armani, he could be disqualified. Mike, wait a minute. Johnny Armani just struck a USWA official.
I don't think so. I didn't see anything.
Wait a minute, gorgeous Gary Garvin, he's taking that boot off again. He's fixing to waylay Sam Shaw. Oh! Gorgeous Gary Garvin into next week. Johnny Armani was laid out. He got hit with the boot. And Sam Shaw, he's up on